The one I'm wearing.
I have a white cashmere sweater that I really love.
I love wearing a certain kitenge dress.
My khaki pants, especially the navy blue khaki pants.
Nikuulize na mama vina manguo. Especially on my side, I have like 2 clothes. Moja ilikuwa ya harusi ya kijana wangu. The other one is nilisimamia mtoto wangu akiwa kenda kupatizwa kanisa. She was being baptized. So those clothes, they are my favorite ones.
How it brightens me up, makes me feel like I'm free and I can face anything.
It was a gift from my fiancé then. So I really have to ensure I take good care of it, because usually when I wear it outside, I get a lot of compliments.
They really stand out when I wear them. They are easy to wash. They don't like fade a lot. They go with anything.
I like it because it's comfortable and the colors are wow.
Like it has a feature whereby you can do laundry within 39 minutes. So again, diverting back to when I'm working late and the next day I have a meeting, there's a favorite outfit that I need to wear. I can just throw it in within 39 minutes. It's clean and ready to wear.
The different types of fabric that I can actually be able to use on the machine.
I can put everything in one wash and everything is done.
You can do mixed washing, different fabrics together.
A turbo wash, kitaka kutoka tu haraka haraka kabla ukunywe chai, kabla uoge, kama mbulaji imeisha.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh yes, definitely.